Alright, I have a MacBook Pro with Touch ID. It is locked. I ordered a chip from online, so we're gonna see if this actually works. Power off the computer. Okay. And I already have the back open, so I'm just gonna pop that off here, y'all. And look at this chip and see how well it works. If you need help on, like, if you don't have a tool to open up the device, what I did was I took like an iPhone screw opener and then I cut it short so that it would fit within the groove. Cut it really short. Alright, I did accidentally strip my screw, but here's the chip that I bought off of eBay, and we're going to see if it works. Okay, now that the chip is plugged in, put it back on. Okay, the MacBook. Let me change the. Do I not have another hand? Okay. Okay, I'm going to try holding Option Command, see what happens. I saw the other videos were showing it in the... Okay, there we go. Held Command. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so now I get this working. Alright, it's been about 24 hours since I've used the computer, ever since I used the chip in it. Right now I'm in the middle of editing the video. It was a very easy process. Once you install the chip, you cannot remove it. One thing about it, it's not like it's a flash code where you can flash the chip. But this one's a very easy install, so anyone can basically do it. It doesn't take that much, but I would recommend people getting a screwdriver for this specific computer. I just happen to have iPhone screws. I do fix my own phones and stuff. But yeah, here's the computer. Everything seems to work fine. I was not sponsored